Okay, so we've got this inclined plane like this. We've got a box. What is it? 35 degrees. Okay. We know we've got to figure out the parallel force, right? So the parallel force is mg sine theta. So that's going to be, what is it, 63? So 63 times 9.81 times sine of 35. 9.81 times sine of 35. 354.5. I'll say 0.49. 354, that's a 5. All right, newtons, that's acting down the plane. Okay, I'm going to make that guy negative. Okay, let's see. It is sliding down the plane, so the force of friction is actually going to be up the plane. And that is mu times the normal force. Okay, and the normal force is mg cos theta on an inclined plane. It's the part of it that's perpendicular, right? Okay, so if I do this, this ends up being mu times mg cos theta, right? So that's going to be 0.15 times 63 times 9.81 times cos 35. Ultimately, that's what it is, right? Okay, so store that guy. 0.15 times 63 times 9.81 times cos 35. I'm going to store that in B. That's 75.939. I'll say 9.4. Okay, so that's this guy. This is up the plane. If it's sliding down the plane, friction is up the plane, right? 75.94. That guy's positive. And then there's some other force. It's an unknown force problem, and it's accelerating down the plane. So that's going to be a negative acceleration, right? So now we're ready to set up F equals ma. Our forces are parallel force acting down the plane. The parallel component of Earth's gravity, right? All right. Friction is up the plane because it's sliding down the plane, right? This is the force of friction. Then we've got some unknown force, right? Okay, and then that equals 63 times, and then this guy, it's accelerating down the plane, so we've got to make that negative. Okay? Got to decide. Parallel force always down the plane. Friction depends. Which way is it sliding? If it's sliding up the plane, it's down the plane. If it's sliding down the plane, friction is up the plane. Unknown force, always make them positive. Acceleration, if it's down the plane, make the acceleration negative, okay? So now I can go 63 times negative 2.16 minus that guy plus this guy. I got 142.468. With 3 sig figs, we have to say 142. The fact that it's positive means that it's up the plane. Okay, it's not like it could be up or down. It is unambiguously up the plane. Okay, so find your force parallel, find your force of friction. Your players are parallel force, always down the plane. Force of friction depends on which way you're sliding. Unknown force, read the problem. It might be given to you. If it's up the plane, make it positive. Down the plane, make it negative. If you don't know, if it's a variable, make it positive. And the sign will tell you which way it is. Acceleration, mass is always positive. Acceleration is either, in this case, down the plane, it's negative, or up the plane, make it positive. Okay, you must have an opinion about this and this and this and this. You're not going to guess it randomly. You have a 1 chance in 16 of getting all these signs correctly, and it does matter. Go team.